Hello, hi. Today I'm going to show you how to install AccroBIZ on the point of sale device. So, first you can open our browser and I am searching accrobiz.com. accrobiz.com. So now we reach on the AccroBIZ website. You can go for the download page. And from the download, there is one free download will be available. You can download it, the free version for testing purpose. And here is the free version. Just I click down. The VAT or GST, which package you record. Now I am selecting for the VAT. So that is downloading. So just I open the downloaded file. Now I need to extract this zip file. This is zip format. Just I right click. So right click and extract. Extract all. That will be okay. Extract. So the downloaded folder already extracted. This is the files for the one is AccroBIZ setup folder. So just I open this one. So there is inside the folder there is drivers. So first I want to install the drivers. So first this is the database driver. I am going to install the database driver. First after that report designer driver also I need to install it. So next it's installing. Done. Now the report designer. Just I open it. Next. Report designer also installed. After this one will be finished, I go back the our previous folder and I need to install the AccroBIZ setup also. Just I open it. Just in case if this message coming, you can select the more info and run anyway. Otherwise, some system automatically will be installed will come. Okay, now I can click yes here. Next, install. So the AccroBIZ installation almost finished. Okay, now AccroBIZ installation is finished already. AccroBIZ already installed on your system. So here is the back office. This is the front office. So just I want to update because already we installed as new. Just double tap, it will be open. And here you see this is the version 504. So I want to update the new version. Here update new version. Just one click, it will be reach for the new update. You can click yes. So updater will be open. You can click yes and update. So it's already updated. It will not take a long time. It is updated finish. Now I'll open it again. Okay, now you can see here that will be 516 new version. Okay, so already we installed new AccroBIZ. Now we want to just create a new company also. Just I am creating for new company. Just create new name, company name. For example, my company name is, for example, I say ABC company. I can give my company name. Okay, so company is created. Again, software will be closed and open it again. So our new company already opened. So on the first login, because if we updated already, so on the first login, system will ask you for the database update. Just update database. It will take around 5 minutes for the database updating. After, it will be ready to use for the AccroBIZ software. Okay, now the updates almost finished. You can click close here. This is the data updation final step. And now I'm going to log in the software. On the first login, you need to register for the application. So just I click register. And if you purchased for the registration key, then you can make it premium register. Otherwise, you can use the free register. Now I am using for the free register. Click register. So again, software will be closed and open. Again, it will be open. The default username and password is admin, ADMIN on the small letter. Password also admin. I click login. On the first login, we need to fill our company details, your company name, company VAT registration number, address details, contact number. This will be display for your invoice, all the reports, letterhead, everywhere it will be display. So you can configure from here. Otherwise, on the system settings also you can edit it anytime. I click it here next, and your country, everything you can set it here. So just I click next here again, and you can set your logo, select logo, and you can set here. Just I click done. So the complete installation procedure will be finished. Now it is running on AccroBIZ back office, but I don't want to open the back office. I want to open the point of sale front office because the device is point of sale. I need to open for the point of sale. This is the point of sale icon. Just I open the front office. So you can enter your password, but already this one default password. Later on we can create the password. You can, if there is you didn't set any password, just you need to click on login only. So the software is on, ready to use. Thank you.
AccroBIZ. Simplify your calculations. www.accrobiz.com